Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the first video in 2024. Once more, my name is Z, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about, SEO again. But in this case, we're going to be using this as an example. Now, this is a cafe here in Cape Town. Somewhere I actually went on New Year's yesterday, just to enjoy some coffee and cake with my best friend. They are a really great place. I want to show you why SEO is so important for them. Now, one of the things that Cape Town South Africans really like to do is take time off. So we got plenty of public holidays, we have plenty of half days, all of these things, especially for restaurants and that. And what that means is that Google Maps is not always reliable. So if, as for example, like New Year's Eve or New Year's Day or Old Year, uh, there's an Afrikaans word for it. I can't remember it right now, but it's basically translates to Old Year's Eve. Um, you basically you can go on their website and check it out and find out, hey, are they still open at this time? And thankfully they were. You can see here that all of their information is right here in their obs. What times they're opening, their phone number, and their inquiries. Really, really nice. You can see their menus, which, by the way, I'm really glad they had a menu like this. I could just download the menus. You get the specials. You can see all of their specials. You can find out more about them. You can find out at FAQ. You go to the contact us section. All of this. Now, this is essentially just a single page website, right? Well, technically it's a two-page website, but it's essentially a single to two-page website. And it works really, really well for them. But this is just a simple way that SEO can be really powerful. It allows you to communicate things more clearly without relying on the strict, rigid guidelines of other services. For example, the Google Maps said times might be affected by New Year's. Well, I called them and they said no, times aren't affected by New Year's. So now I know. I know that they're always open between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. Always, right? So it's just one of those things where it's really nice to have something that's personally your own that allows you to communicate information effectively and clearly, even through all other barriers and difficulties that you might have. Guys, it's a really simple video for today. I'll see you all tomorrow, but tomorrow's going to be a lot more in depth. I'm thinking about going back to the basics and actually putting in some higher quality videos soon. So I will see you all tomorrow.